Welcome back, dear students of class 6. Today we are going to study the part 3 of the chapter 8 HTML and Introduction. Students, in this part 3 we are going to study the topic basic HTML tags. Okay, students, so let us quickly begin with it. Now you have already got the basic understanding of the simple HTML tags. But in this part, you will be getting a deep knowledge of the your HTML tags that you are going to study in this chapter. Okay, so let us quickly begin with this topic, basic HTML tags. Before starting this topic, again I would like to point towards a very important fact file that Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, World Wide Web was found by Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, students, so this is a very important information. Please note it down. Now, coming back to the topic, HTML is a tag based language. Students, this is a very important point. HTML is a tag based language. What is the meaning of this? That when we study HTML, actually we are talking about different tags. Okay, we are going to study about different tags. Okay, and this language contains various elements, tags and attributes. Basically elements and tags are the same thing. Okay, students, so basically HTML language contains tags and attributes. What are tags? I've already given you a basic understanding of the tags. Tags are the building blocks of a web page. What is the meaning of that? When you want to create a web page, okay, a web page is created by using the HTML language. Yes, and we use different tags to create the HTML web page. Okay, it is same just like our body is made up of cells. Yes or no? Cells are the building blocks of human body. You have studied that in science or biology. Yes, you have studied that the cells are the building blocks of a body or animals or plants. Yes, in the same manner, tags are the building blocks of a web page. You can create a web page by using different tags of the HTML language. Okay, students. Now, the tags contain attributes. What are attributes? I'll be telling you about attributes later on. Let's first talk about tags. Different tags have different attributes. Okay, so this attribute is also very important. We will be discussing attributes later on. Now, HTML tags, they contain elements which define how the information on a web page is formatted or displayed. So, how your web page is going to look, who is going to tell you? Your HTML tags that you have used in that particular page. Based on the tags that you use in your page, that is how your page is going to be appearing. Okay. Now, a tag comprises of text enclosed in the angle brackets. You have already seen this, how we are writing the HTML tag, how we were writing the different tags. Yes, we were writing different tags by using uh, just a minute. Okay, let me write this. So we write the tags inside the angle brackets like this. For example, HTML. This is the HTML tag which has been written inside the angle brackets, and this is the of HTML tag. It is also written inside the angle brackets. Okay, this is the first tag that we use and this is the last tag. Okay, students, moving on. A tag comprises of text enclosed in angle brackets. All tags have their own attributes. All the HTML tags have their own attributes and default values. Okay, you'll be talking about attributes and default values when we study the attribute part. Okay, each tag in HTML follows specific rules which are known as syntax. Okay, so every tag in HTML has a certain rule associated with it and what it does. These tags are not case sensitive. This is a very important point. What is the meaning of being case sensitive? See, there are two types of case in which we write the English language. First is the uppercase, okay, uppercase, and the next one is the lowercase. Okay, students, what is uppercase? If you write everything in capital, okay, if I write this A, B, C, D in capital, that means I am writing in uppercase. If I write it in small, okay, then I am writing in lowercase. Okay, now students, they are saying that HTML tags are not case sensitive. What is the meaning of that? If you write HTML tag like this, then also it is correct. If you write it like this, in all in small, then also it is correct. If you write like this, first capital or any other capital, then also it is correct. So it is not case sensitive. Okay, if it would have been case sensitive, then there would have been a difference between this and this, but it is not case sensitive. Hence you can write these tags in any case. You want to write it in uppercase, you can write it in uppercase. If you want to write it in lowercase, then you can write it in lowercase also. It is your wish. Okay, both are correct. This one is also correct. Okay, students. Now, tags are also known as elements. I already told you that these tags are also known as elements. So you call it HTML tags or HTML elements. It is one and the same thing. Okay. So HTML tags are also known as HTML elements. Moving on. Types of HTML elements. That means types of HTML tags, as tags and elements are same. Okay. HTML tag or HTML element, both are same thing. So how many types of HTML tags or HTML elements are there? There are two types. First is the container tag and next one is the empty tag. Okay, container and empty tag. Okay, student, there are two types, container tags and empty tags. Let's talk about the first type of HTML tags, that are the container tags. What is the meaning of this container tag? Now students, in HTML, tags that include both on and off tags are called as container tags. For example, I told you that this is the HTML tag. In the previous lectures, I told you this is the HTML on tag. Okay. And this one with a forward slash at the beginning is the HTML off tag. So such tags, okay, such tags which have both on and off, such type of tags are called as container tags. So you can say that HTML tag is an container tag. But students, you will be studying some certain tags that are empty tags. Okay, later on you will be studying empty tags also. Just remember one thing, that the tags that include both on and off tags are called as container tags or container elements. Okay, a tag is opened using the opening angle brackets. I've already told you. Okay, and closed using the angle brackets with a forward slash. Okay, so if you use this forward slash along with the tag, then this is the close off tag. Okay, and this is the on tag. This one is on, this one is off. So a tag which contains both on and off tag is called as container element or container tags. For example, HTML, okay, this is the on HTML tag, indicates the opening tag, and this with a forward slash over here depicts the closing tag. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, students. Now, while using the tag set, while using the tag sets as containers, we should always balance the flow. What is the meaning of this balance the flow? Okay, students, balance the flow. That means if you open the HTML tag first, if you open the HTML tag first, yes, this is the rule. This is the rule that I taught you in the first class, that the first tag that we use is the HTML tag. So this tag will be closed at the last, at the end of the programming. the off tag will appear at the end. Okay, students, it is just like a box. If I if suppose I'm packing uh, gift boxes, if I'm packing gift boxes, okay, so this is the first, the the biggest gift box will be at the top, yes or no? If I want to pack a smaller box inside this, then first what I am going to do, I'm going to open this. First I'm going to open this big box. So if this is my big box, will I close it and then put the another box inside this? No. Then I will put the smaller box, and then first I'll close the smaller box, yes or no? And then I will close the bigger box. It's something like that only. If I open the HTML tag, which is acting as a bigger box, okay, if I open the HTML tag first, then I'll not close the HTML tag first. First I'll open the tag which is inside the HTML tag. Yes, suppose head tag, which comes inside the HTML tag. And then I will write whatever is inside the head tag, and then first I'll close the head tag. Yes or no? First I'll close the head tag, and then I will close the HTML tag at the last. Yes or no, students? It is something like that only. So this is called as balancing. Okay, so you have to always balance. So the tag that opens first closes at the last. Okay, students, this is something that you want to remember. Okay, so look over here. What is the correct way? If you have opened tag 1 first and then inside tag 1 there is tag 2, then you need to close tag 2 first, and only then you can close the tag 1. You cannot follow this. Okay, this is an incorrect way, that you have opened tag 1, then open tag 2, then you are closing the tag 1. This is an incorrect way. And then you are closing tag 2 at the last. This is wrong. Okay, students. So the tag which opens first will be closed at the last. This is what you have to remember, that you should always balance the flow. Okay, students. Moving on to the next part. The next part is the empty elements. Okay, just now we discussed what are container tags. The next part is the what are empty tags. Okay, let me quickly open this. Okay, so what are empty elements, students? Empty elements is the opposite of the container tag. Okay, empty elements or empty tags contain only on tags. They do not have off tags. Okay, students. So container tags had on and off both the tags, but empty tags do not have off tags. Okay, they only have one tag, that is the on tag. You don't have to use the off tag with them. These elements do not enclose any data. Instead, they do some function on their own. For example, the BR tag. Okay, the BR tag is a empty tag or an empty element. Okay, it does not have a off tag. That means there is no tag like this. Let me open this. The BR tag, students, does not have any off tag. Let me explain you with the help of this. Okay. So your BR tag, students, this is the on BR tag. Okay. It does not have this tag. There is no such tag defined in HTML. This tag is not present in HTML. It only has a on tag. Such type of tags are called as empty elements or empty tags. Okay, students, I'll be showing you an example of all these. Don't worry. Okay, I'll show you the example of all these tags later on. Okay, just bear with me. Now, uh, let us discuss the basic structure of an HTML document. Students, I've already explained you this basic structure of HTML documents, but let us again quickly revise it. The HTML tag marks the beginning of an HTML document. What is the meaning of this? if you want to create an HTML document or a web page using HTML, how to do that? You know that you have to open the notepad. Okay, after opening the notepad, see, the HTML tag marks the beginning of an HTML document. This means that the first tag that we will use always will be the HTML tag. Okay, so whenever you want to create a web page, the first tag that we will use is the HTML tag, and its corresponding HTML off tag. See, this is the HTML off tag is placed at the end of the document. That means all the other tags are going to come in the in between this tag and sorry between this tag and this tag. All the other tags are going to come over here like this head tag. Okay, this head tag is going to come between the uh, HTML on and HTML off tag. Okay, let me show you a simple example. Inside the head, I told you that title tag comes. Okay, now we write the title of the page. Suppose uh, I'll write the title as uh, home page. Okay, home. I'll just write the title as home page. Okay, and now I'm going to close the title tag. Okay, then I will close the head tag, because inside the head tag, as you have studied earlier, inside the head tag only one tag comes, that is the title tag. And now I'll close the head tag, and now after that we open the after closing the head tag we open the body tag. And now suppose I write, hi, this is my web page. Okay students, I've written this is my web page, and now I'll close the body tag. And see, all the other tags that I have used in this page have come between these two tags. This is the on HTML tag, and this is the off HTML tag. So see, the HTML tag, the on HTML tag marks the beginning of an HTML document. Its corresponding closing tag, that is the off HTML tag, is placed at the end of the document. That means, see, this is the end of the document, and over here the last HTML tag is used. Okay, now let me save this file. You know, you have to save as the file. You have to save as the file with the name.html. So suppose I am giving this as ABC. The name is ABC, and I'll save it as a with .html extension. Okay, so I'll save it on my desktop. See, this is the HTML document that I have created. This one, abc.html. When I open this, see, I have created my web page. This is the title bar. Whatever I have written in the title between on and off title tags, that came inside in the title bar of the page, and this is written on inside the body. Now students, let me tell you about this BR tag also. What does this BR tag stand for? Okay, as it is shown that BR tag is an empty tag. See, if I write my BR over here, see, where over here, BR, where I've written, hi, this is my, and then I've written BR tag. Now you know that BR tag does not have a off tag. Okay, it only has a on tag. And I have written this BR just before this web page. See what this BR is going to do. It is going to break the line. BR stands for break the line. Okay, so what will happen in the output is that hi, this is my will be in the first line, and in the this will be shifted to the next line. I'll just show you. I'll save this, and I'll refresh this, and see, the web page has gone to the next line. Okay, so this is the use of the BR tag. Such type of tags which do not have off tag is called as the empty tag. So BR tag is an example of empty tag. There are many other empty tags that you will be studying later on. Okay students, so this is the difference between a container tag and empty tag. Now everything is written within these two tags, the HTML on tag and between the HTML off tag, everything is written between them. As you can see over here, this is the off HTML tag and this is the on HTML tag. Everything is written inside this. All the other tags will be used between these two tags. Okay. Now, if the commands are not enclosed in tags, then the web browser will assume that the commands as simple text. That means if you don't enclose this within the tags, okay, then okay, if you don't enclose this within the tags, then your web browser will assume the commands as simple text. That means it will not assume them as tags. The next important point is the head is the first tag. Element means tag. The head tag is the first tag contained inside the HTML tag. So always, students, always after writing HTML tag, the first tag that you will write is the head tag. Okay, students? Always after writing the HTML tag, the HTML on tag, the next tag that will follow is the head tag. It contains no text within itself. Okay, it only contains the title tag. Okay, students, that you are going to study. Now, the title tag has to be given within the head tag. So, inside the head tag, see, inside the head on tag and head off tag, you have to give which tag? Title tag. It is written. The title tag has to be given within. That means inside the head tags. Head tags means what? Between head on tag and head off tag. Then it contains the title of the document. That means whatever you write between the title on and title off tag will be the title of your document. See, I have written over your home page and the same thing is showing inside on my title bar. Okay, students. Now, the title should be short. The title, whatever you write inside this title should be short. Okay, should be less than 64 characters. Right now I have used how many characters? 8 characters over here. Okay, so what is the limit? The limit is 64 characters. Okay, so remember the title, whatever you write in between the on title tag on title tag and off title tag, it should be 64, limited to 64 characters. Okay, the maximum limit. The title tag changes the text that appears on the top of your browser, but not in the actual viewing pane. That means it changes the whatever is written in the title bar. C. Okay, moving on. Moving on to the next tag. Okay, the body tag. The body tag contains the contents of your document which get displayed on the web page in your browser. So whatever is written inside the web page, see, this is the title bar, this is the address bar, okay, this is the address bar, this is the title bar, and rest this white space that you can see, this entire space is the body of the web page. Okay, so whatever will appear here has to be written inside the body on tag and body off tag. So that is what we have done over here. See, this is the body on tag and this is the body off tag. Whatever you write over here, see, I can write this over and over. Okay. So what is going to happen? This same line is going to appear 4 times. Okay. See, the same line is appearing 4 times. Now you will say, so why this is not coming in the next line? If you want this in the next line, you have to use another BR tag over here. Okay. Over here, you have to use BR tag. So you can use BR tag as many as times you want. Okay. So if I use BR tag over here multiple times, okay, no need to use over here. So what is going to happen? See, it's coming in different lines. So this, whatever I write inside the body tag with inside the body on and body off tag, that will appear in my web page. So that is same thing is appearing in my web page. Now see, this is a tag. That this is a tag. You will say that, sir, why BR is not appearing over here? Because BR is a tag. It's not simple text. This web page, this hi, this is a simple text. but this BR is a tag. That's why tags are not appearing in the final output. Okay, tags won't appear. But if you remove this, okay, if you don't follow the proper syntax, now it will appear. If you don't write within the angle brackets, then the BR is also going to appear. Okay, so you have to follow the rules of the language. What is the rule of the language? That tags are always written inside the angle brackets. Okay, students, so these are the basic HTML tags. Okay, so your body tag contains the contents of your documents which get displayed on the web page in the browser. In body tag, we use formatting elements. We can also use images, headings, lists, etc. to enhance the appearance of the web page. Okay, so if you want to enhance the appearance of your web page, then you can use everything, many other tags, images, headings, and lists, tables. You can even insert tables. You can create your own tables inside this body tag. Okay, students, and you can enhance the appearance of your web page. I hope I have cleared the basic HTML tags. I have made you understand what are basic HTML tags. In the next part, students, we will talk about the more tags in HTML. Okay, students, with this, I want to put an end to this lecture. I'll be seeing you in the next lecture. Till then, you guys take care of yourself and be well.